Number 1. 1989 GMC Sierra 3500, price $4,995. The pickup is a sturdy and reliable pickup truck that has traveled 251,000 miles and runs on a 7.4L 454 big block V8 gasoline engine paired with a 3-speed automatic transmission. It features a black exterior with a gray interior, presenting a bold and classic look that complements its solid, straight body. The paint remains in very good condition, showing only normal signs of wear and tear consistent with its age. The Sierra 3500 runs and drives exactly as it should, reflecting the durability and performance expected from a heavy-duty GMC truck of its era. The seller emphasizes that the price is firm, and no trades will be accepted. Inquiries about negotiating the price will not be entertained. Overall, it's a well-maintained classic truck that continues to deliver strong performance and a solid driving experience. Number 2. 1979 Chevrolet K10, price $10,000. It has approximately 60,000 miles on the odometer and is equipped with an automatic transmission and a 350 V8 engine powered by gasoline. Finished in white with a partially restored interior, this truck stands out for its durability and solid performance. This K10 features a 6-inch lift paired with 35-inch tires, giving it an aggressive stance and excellent off-road capability. It also comes with a new transmission, upgraded front-end components, including new ball joints, pads, rotors, and calipers, ensuring smooth and reliable handling. The bench seat has been newly replaced, adding comfort to the rugged cabin. Although part of the interior has been disassembled, all components are included along with new replacement parts ready for installation. Overall, this 1979 Chevy K10 offers a blend of vintage charm, mechanical upgrades, and potential for a full restoration. Number 3. 1970 GMC 2500, price $7,995, features an automatic transmission with a striking blue exterior and a sleek black interior. Powered by a gasoline engine, this truck proudly retains its original patina, a beautiful blue finish ideal for enthusiasts seeking an authentic restoration. It has been carefully refreshed with a brand new interior, including reupholstered seats, new carpet, a restored dash pad, door panels, glove box, GMC radio, stainless door sills, armrests, and a USB charging port for modern convenience. The vehicle has undergone a complete tune-up and extensive maintenance, featuring a new radiator, transmission fluid and filter, starter, battery, and a fresh fill of VR1 racing oil. Combining vintage charm with modern updates, this classic GMC 2500 stands out as a well-maintained example of 1970s American craftsmanship. Hit that like button if classic trucks make your heart race. Want to help us keep these legends on the road? Drop a super thanks, every bit counts. And don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for more badass builds and barn finds. Number 4. 1992 Chevrolet 2500, price $3,900, well-preserved and dependable full-size pickup that has 133,000 miles on it. Equipped with an automatic transmission and powered by a 7.4-liter 454 V8 gasoline engine, it delivers strong performance and smooth driving. The engine runs powerfully with no known issues, and the transmission shifts effortlessly, a testament to how well the truck has been maintained over the years. The exterior is finished in beige, perfectly matched with a tan interior that remains clean and well kept. Both the body and cabin are in excellent condition, showing clear signs of consistent care and maintenance. This Chevrolet 2500 also offers a spacious and comfortable interior, robust towing capability, and the durable build quality that the brand is known for. Number 5. 1977 Ford F100, price $8,700, features a 300 cubic inch straight 6 engine paired with a 4-barrel carburetor and headers, delivering smooth and reliable performance. It runs and drives exceptionally well, supported by a dual exhaust system and a 3-speed manual transmission with a column shifter. This classic truck stands out with custom wheels and tires, enhancing both its appearance and handling. It has received numerous upgrades, including a new aluminum radiator, front and rear brakes, a new windshield with gasket, and a recently replaced fuel pump and solenoid. The interior has also been refreshed with a new heater core and hoses, a new dash pad, reupholstered seats, and updated side window weather stripping. Number 6. 2001 GMC Sierra 1500, price $4,600, features a powerful 5.3L V8 engine with 163,000 miles on it. This truck is in excellent overall condition and has been well maintained throughout its life. It comes equipped with an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. The exterior is finished in sleek gray, complemented by a clean black interior that remains in great shape. The Sierra runs very smoothly, with no leaks or engine noises, reflecting the care it has received. It's fitted with good tires and offers both a cold air conditioner and an efficient heater, ensuring comfort in any weather. The vehicle also comes with valid plates until next year, making it ready for the road. With its strong performance, reliable 5.3 V8 engine, smooth handling, and clean, well-kept interior and exterior, this 2001 GMC Sierra 1500 stands out as a dependable and well-cared-for truck that's ready for everyday use. Number 7. 1995 Ford F150, price $4,200. It has 179,000 miles on the odometer and features a 5-speed manual transmission paired with a 4-wheel drive system equipped with a manual transfer case. Finished in a matching blue exterior and interior, this regular cab, short bed configuration is a highly sought-after combination among truck enthusiasts. The truck runs and drives well, and the 4x4 system is fully functional. However, it comes with full disclosure that the body and frame are heavily rusted, requiring repair work. While it's not currently a turnkey daily driver, it serves as an excellent candidate for restoration and off-road build, or use as a reliable parts truck. Number 8. 1971 Chevrolet C10, price $9,800, well-sorted classic truck that blends vintage style with modern reliability. It's powered by a 350 V8 with a mild cam, paired to a turbo 350 automatic transmission and a rebuilt 12-bolt Posey rear end with 3.73 gears. The truck features numerous upgrades, including a new distributor, Demon carburetor, headers, power steering, and power brakes. The suspension and braking systems have been fully refreshed with new drop spindles, coils, rear leafs, shocks, calipers, pads, rotors, and drum hardware, giving it a smooth ride and confident handling. Inside, a new interior adds comfort and a clean finish. Overall, this C10 is a strong driver that runs great and only needs minor bodywork to be outstanding. Number 9. 1994 Nissan Frontier, price $3,900. It has approximately 136,000 miles on the odometer and features a sought-after manual transmission that offers a more engaging and hands-on driving experience. The exterior is finished in classic white, paired with a blue interior that maintains a clean and vintage aesthetic, giving the truck a timeless character. Powered by a reliable gasoline engine, it delivers consistent performance and solid fuel efficiency for its age. The truck also comes equipped with ice-cold air conditioning, ensuring comfort even on the hottest days. Its overall condition reflects the care it has received over the years, both mechanically and cosmetically. Number 10. 1993 Chevrolet 2500, price $3,600. The truck is a classic long bed pickup powered by a strong V8 gasoline engine, paired with an automatic transmission. It has approximately 250,000 miles on the odometer and features a clean white exterior with a blue interior, maintaining a timeless and rugged look. This truck runs and drives well, equipped with brand new tires and a new battery, ensuring reliability on the road. It was originally built without air conditioning from the factory. Known for its durability and straightforward design, this Chevy 2500 offers dependable performance and the practicality expected from a full-sized pickup of its era.